Looking to perfect your baking recipes with precision? In this guide, we'll uncover the best kitchen scale for baking, helping you achieve consistent, professional results at home. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to accurate, flawless measurements every time. Number 1. Greater Goods Kitchen Scale. The Greater Goods Kitchen Scale stands out as a sophisticated and reliable choice for home bakers and health-conscious cooks. This premium kitchen scale offers remarkable precision, measuring down to 0.1 grams, ensuring your baking ingredients are accurately weighed for perfect results every time. Its dimensions of 9.33 by 6.02 by 0.91 inches make it a comfortable size for meal planning, baking, and counting macros without hogging counter space. The food-safe glass surface not only adds a modern, sleek look, but also makes cleaning simple. Just a quick wipe, and it's good as new. Touch-sensitive buttons enhance the hygienic design by eliminating the crevices where food residue typically gets trapped. Functionally, it's loaded with helpful features. The scale can save and display totals for multiple ingredients, zero out container weights, and track vital nutrition metrics like carbs, proteins, and fats, which is especially useful for those following specific dietary plans. It comes preloaded with the nutritional data of 2,000 common foods and offers room for 99 custom entries, making it adaptable to any lifestyle. Although this isn't a connected smart scale, it does include a handy food code app for mobile convenience. Greater Goods also prides itself on customer support, with a helpful team based in St. Louis ready to assist with any issues or questions. Whether you need help setting up or understanding a function, their responsive service ensures a hassle-free experience. Number 2. Rujixu Kitchen Scale. For those seeking a highly versatile and durable scale, the Rujixu Kitchen Scale is a fantastic option for both home and commercial kitchens. It delivers impressive precision, with increments as fine as 0.05 ounces, 1 g, and a wide capacity range from 3 grams to 30 kilograms, 66 pounds. This makes it equally suitable for delicate baking ingredients and bulkier items like meats or pet food. The standout feature is its newly upgraded full-view LCD display, which ensures clear visibility from any angle and remains easy to read even in direct sunlight, an invaluable asset in busy or brightly lit kitchen settings. The 304 food-grade stainless steel platform adds durability and makes cleanup a breeze, while also offering a sleek, professional appearance. Power flexibility is another strong point, with the ability to use 2 AA batteries or an included AC adapter. Beyond simple weighing, this scale includes a comprehensive set of features: pricing calculations, tare, counting functions, and automatic shutoff. It can even count small items like screws and coins, making it as useful in workshops or at markets as it is in the kitchen. While it isn't certified for trade, it excels in versatility, doubling as a price-computing commercial scale for non-trade applications. Its multifunctionality also covers DIY projects, home brewing, or calculating daily expenses, making it a highly practical addition to any home or small business. The Rujixu Kitchen Scale is a reliable, feature-rich, and adaptable tool that offers more than most standard kitchen scales, combining functionality with a rugged build for long-lasting performance. Number 3. Taylor Digital Kitchen Scale. The Taylor Digital Kitchen Scale, specifically the TE10FT model, is designed with commercial kitchen needs in mind, making it a dependable addition to any home baker's toolkit as well. It offers precise weighing up to 11 pounds, 5 kilograms, in accurate 0.1 ounces, 1 g increments, providing the consistency essential for portion control and professional quality baked goods. The compact 5.4-inch square platform, with its convenient marine edge, neatly contains spills and crumbs while remaining easy to clean. Its high-quality construction features a removable platform for straightforward maintenance. Functionally, this scale includes several practical options. It's recalibratable, features a tare function to deduct the weight of containers, and has a useful hold function that freezes the display so you can note down a measurement even after removing the ingredient. The dual power supply system lets you run it on an included AC adapter or AAA batteries, adding flexibility depending on your kitchen setup. Additionally, it features an auto-off setting that can be disabled when running on battery power, offering added convenience during extended baking or food prep sessions. Its rugged, practical design is perfect for busy environments, and its reliable accuracy makes it equally suitable for home use. Taylor's T10FT provides both durability and precision in one compact package, making it a valuable and efficient addition to any baker's kitchen. Number 4. Yifor Kitchen Scale. The Yifor Kitchen Scale offers impressive capacity and accuracy, making it an excellent choice for both baking enthusiasts and small commercial setups. Capable of handling up to 40 kilograms, 88 pounds, with a precise 2G 0.008 pounds. Increment accuracy. This scale ensures every measurement is exact, a vital requirement for baking and meal prepping. It's not just about precision. Maintenance is made easy with a removable platform that allows for quick and hygienic cleaning. A simple wipe with a damp cloth is all that's needed to keep it spotless, and a dust cover helps maintain its condition when not in use. The scale is designed as a precision electric instrument and should be handled carefully to avoid moisture or shock damage, but its solid construction makes it reliable for daily use. Battery management is also thoughtfully addressed, with a recommended full charge of 12 hours before first use and routine charging every 3 months to preserve battery health. The Yifor Kitchen Scale is particularly suitable for bakers who deal with both small and large ingredient quantities and value a scale that can double as a price computing unit in casual market setups. Its clear, easy-to-read display ensures quick readings, and though it lacks some of the smart features of higher-end models, it makes up for it with robust accuracy and user-friendly maintenance. Number 5. Jamar Digital Food Scale. Ideal for those who need accurate portion control and dependable performance, the Jamar Digital Food Scale is a well-designed kitchen essential. It supports both imperial, lb/oz, and metric, kg/g measurements, making it versatile for any recipe or dietary plan. This precision ensures consistent portion sizes, which is vital for both baking and cost control in meal prep. The convenient tare function lets you quickly reset the weight to 0, accommodating containers or multiple ingredients with ease. Power options are flexible as well. The scale operates on 4C batteries included or a 9V adapter sold separately, making it convenient for home kitchens or mobile setups. One of its standout features is its easy-to-clean construction, with a metal frame and sealed buttons that resist food buildup and wipe clean effortlessly. The stainless steel measuring plate is removable, further simplifying cleanup. Its low-profile design, standing just 4.75 inches high, allows it to be tucked under cabinets or stored in compact spaces when not in use. Although it doesn't offer nutritional tracking or advanced digital features, its core strength lies in its accuracy, durability, and ease of use. For home bakers who value reliable, no-fuss performance, the Jamar Digital Food Scale is an excellent choice, delivering dependable results with minimal maintenance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.